Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 versus a Huawei P30 Lite. And Note 8 comes with a Exynos 8895 processor with a 6GB RAM, while the Huawei P30 Lite comes with a high silicon Kirin 710 processor with a 4GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and let's see how much a difference between a Exynos 8895 versus a high silicon Kirin 710 processor inside the Huawei the P30 Lite. And that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is faster, and Huawei P30 Lite is also right behind, and everything is closed up in the background. And first application is the phone dialer, and very hard to tell who is the fastest one. Very close launching the settings, and I think Note 8 is just a tiny bit faster there. Again, very hard to tell who is faster launching the My Files application, and you can see again same result launching the My Clock application, and again very hard to tell who is going to be the fastest one. The calendar, I think Note 8 this time is just a little bit faster there. So let's launch some games application. First is the Candy Crush, and let's see who is faster in the games. And Huawei the P30 Lite is faster there, and Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is right behind launching the Subway Surfer on both phones. And Note 8 is giving you a Super AMOLED as well as the Quad HD display. Faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and Huawei the P30 Lite is also right behind, about 1 second difference in launching the last game application, the Temple Run 2. And this time the Huawei the P30 Lite is super duper the fastest one compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time. Faster on the Note 8, and the Huawei the P30 Lite is right behind launching the internet browser on both phones. Google Chrome on both phones shows you guys what is the speed in internet browser, and I have launched the internet browser on both phones, and the first website is the wikipedia.org on both phones. Here we boom. Faster on the Huawei P30 Lite, and Note 8 is right behind, and you can see it looks very good on both phones. And next up is the facebook.com on both phones, and that is just a tiny bit faster on the Huawei P30 Lite. So let's say the important part of this video, the RAM measurement, and Note 8 is giving you the 6GB RAM, while the Huawei the P30 Lite is giving you a 4GB RAM, and one refresh is here. And last is the internet browser on both phones, and you can see, and overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 sometimes, and Huawei the P30 Lite is right behind to the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and RAM measurement is very same on both phones, not much a difference between both of these phones when it comes of the RAM measurement. And thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Huawei the P30 Lite versus a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Subscribe to my channel for future content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.